beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Satima, and today I will be coloring some 613 hair from my hair collection, Satima's Beauty Shop. I'm going to be coloring this hair a indigo blue, so let's jump right in. As you guys seen, I am doing the watercolor method today. So I'm starting off with some boiling hot water. You want to make sure that that water is boiling hot. And make sure you put it in like a bin. Some people like to, do it in a pot. I like to do it in this bin and just color it that way. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pour my first bottle into this water. Also, you want to make sure that you do have something to mix the color in evenly, because sometimes this dye can chunk up, and so yeah, make sure that you mix it up very well too. So as you can see, it's kind of sped up, but I definitely do make sure that that color is mixed in. So then I'm going to go ahead and place my bundles in. As you guys can see at the top, I have 3 bundles clipped together. It may not look like it, but yeah, I like to just clip all the bundles together. That way it's just less messier and it's a lot quicker. Like, instead of just dumping this bundle and then the second bundle and third bundle, I can just dip them all at the same time. Like, okay, simple. Work smarter, not harder. Okay, so then I'm gonna go in with my second bottle of dye, just to make sure that the color is the blue that I want it to be, or the color that the client wants it to be, because this is, yeah, I'm doing this for a client of mine. So I'm gonna go ahead. Also, that's my boyfriend. You guys will be seeing him in a lot of my videos moving forward. He's always helping me and just a part of everything that I do. So yeah. So yeah, this video is pretty much self-explanatory. Gonna just color the bundles, and then I do have a frontal that I am going to be coloring next. So yeah, I use a total of 2 bottles for the 3 bundles, and then I'm going to use a whole bottle for the frontal, just because you want to make sure that your closure or your frontal piece, whichever you're dipping last, is just the same color as the bundles. So yeah, I'm just making sure that I get every strand. Okay, you want to make sure that you spread this hair apart, dip it as much as possible, add as much dye as you need, because you don't want to wait until the end or till you're installing this hair or make it into a wig and then you missed a piece, or a certain part didn't take well. So I'm gonna just let that hair sit for a little while to just let it soak up, like I said, as much color as possible, because I want this color to be flawless, be consistent all the way through, and be very vibrant. So yes, gonna let that sit for about 2 to 3 minutes and then take it out. And then next I'm going to be adding my last bottle of dye and mixing that in as well. Every bottle you pour, make sure you mix it in. And then I'm going to be dipping the frontal as well. I did spray the knots with some got-to-be spray, so that it helps with the knots not be bleached blue as well. But again, this is a very strong color, so yeah, you just want to make sure that you color this very, very fast, because you don't want that lace turning the color the same color as the hair. So yeah, and this is how it turned out. It's so pretty and silky and just bomb. As you can see, she's so happy. But yes, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you next time, beauties.